let's take a couple minutes to talk about Miss Universe. I'll be real with you. The level of ignorance of what's going on in the world in the comments that I've been seeing is astonishing. Take this one, for example. Fighting between countries. It's not fighting between countries. It's one country, an imperialist country, invading the other country in order to subjugate it. It's not the same as fighting between countries. Moreover, people sometimes even come out and say, well, she didn't have a choice in what she was doing or what she was wearing. She's in a communist country. I was born in a communist country, except it really wasn't. It was a union of Soviet socialist republics. We never had communism. But the Miss Russia contestant was born long after USSR collapsed. She is born in an aspiring empire, and her outfit was meant to represent the Russian Empire at its height. This outfit, that's what it is. Now, if you're wondering about the photo, of course, that's not how she presented it. This is one of the edits made by Ukrainians who are placing her at various locations where Russia has committed war crimes, such as the site of the apartment building in Dnipro that was destroyed just yesterday with these outcomes. Celebrating the Russian Empire? I don't think so. All that red might as well be blood of Ukrainians, as far as we're concerned. This queen, on the other hand, her looks were all made in Ukraine under conditions where there isn't even power most of the time, all made by artisans in Ukraine, under conditions of bombardments by Russians. Yeah, I'm quite angry about that. I am angry the Russian contestant was even on the stage. And I am angry anybody would even say that the Russian looks were prettier than this. This was not about being pretty. This was about being fierce.
Ukraine! This Warrior of Light costume symbolizes Ukraine's fight for freedom. The Warrior of Light protects her country like Archangel Michael, who is a guardian of soldiers and considered to be the patron of Kyiv, the capital city. This Warrior of Light will help in their fight, Ukraine.
Ukraine, the contestant, deserved better. And Ukraine, the country, most definitely deserves better than the ignorance that is still around the internet so much time after the start of the invasion. Learn what is going on. It matters.